I'm Eric Mitchell, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services sedan joiner, and this is 116 Kettle Oak Way in Simpsonville. Nestled in the heart of Simpsonville, this home is bursting with character and comfort. Step inside and get ready to be wowed by the open floor plan that seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas. It's perfect for entertaining guests or just relaxing with the family after a long day. The den features a cozy fireplace and vaulted ceiling, and offers plenty of space for your sofa and chairs and everything comfy. Enjoy breakfast with tons of natural light to wake you up. But now, let's talk about this kitchen. It's every chef's dream with stainless steel appliances and cabinets galore. Meal prep? Piece of cake. Plus, there's plenty of space to whip up your culinary masterpieces while enjoying the company of your loved ones. The sitting room features a vaulted ceiling and tons of natural light. The master bedroom is large, with a separate sitting area and coffered ceiling. And don't worry, there are two closets, one for her and one for him. The master bathroom features dual vanities, a jetted tub, and tiled showers. Upstairs has two spacious bedrooms, each with lots of natural light and plenty of closet space, plus a bonus room that can be used as a bedroom or a media room that's pre-wired for surround sound. And talk about storage space, this home is loaded with it, including not one, not two, but 3 spacious attic spaces. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization. You'll have all the room you need for your stuff. The upstairs bathroom is Jack and Jill, with dual vanities and a shared water closet. Off the kitchen, you'll find a newly renovated half bath. When you need a break from the hustle and bustle, step into the sunroom and soak in all the sunshine year-round. And when you're craving some fresh air, head out to the patio and take in the serene ambience of the lush lawn and landscaping. This is truly a spectacular house, just waiting for you to make this your home sweet home. For a private showing, please call Eric Mitchell, 864-325-7054.